Both sides described a horrific scene where the two were discovered dead as they presented their opening statements in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh, a well-known South Carolina lawyer who was accused of killing his wife and youngest son. In his opening statement, Creighton Waters, the state's chief prosecutor, claimed that Murdaugh, 64, shot Margaret and Paul Murdaugh dead at close range using family-owned firearms. The facts of Margaret and Paul's injuries will be difficult to hear, Waters warned the jury, adding that the trial is going to be gruesome. The two, he continued, as if they didn't see a threat coming from their attacker, had no defensive wounds. According to Waters, Paul Murdaugh, 22, suffered devastating damage to his body after being shot with buckshot from a 12-gauge shotgun in the chest, shoulder, and head. Margaret Murdaugh, 52, suffered bullet wounds to her head, abdomen, and leg after being shot with a rifle, according to Waters. Pow, pow. 2 gunshots to the leg knocked her out, said Waters. There were more shots after that. After calling 911 in June 2021, Margaret and Paul Murdaugh were discovered shot to death on their family's property about 65 miles south of Charleston, South Carolina. In July 2022, he was accused of 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of possessing a weapon. He entered a not guilty plea to the accusations. In his opening statement, Dick Harpootlian, the defense counsel for Murdaugh, also disclosed horrifying details regarding the condition of the victims' bodies. Murdaugh sobbed in court when Harpootlian detailed the moment he discovered his own son lying in his own blood with his brain lying at his feet. Murdaugh's attorney claimed that there were flaws in the prosecution's case, including the fact that there was no blood on Murdaugh when police got at the scene and that Murdaugh was hysterical and in anguish when he dialed 911. From head to toe, Harpootlian predicted that you would be covered in blood. From head to toe. Harpootlian stated that police didn't bother looking for other possibilities since they swiftly determined Murdaugh was guilty after showing up on the scene. No, he didn't. He didn't murder his wife and son, Harpootlian informed the jury. And any advice he gave you needs to be forgotten. Buster Murdaugh, Murdaugh's surviving son, was present for the opening statements in court. NBC reporters in the courtroom reported that Murdaugh gave his son many glances throughout the day and at one point appeared to say, "I love you."